Good morning, children. So, children, here we continue with our chapter Cell, the structural unit of life. Children, till we discuss about plasma membrane, cell wall, different organelles. Today, I will discuss a detailed structure of some important cell organelles: vacuole, plastid, mitochondria, and Golgi complex. With that, we discuss about cell division. Different types of cell divisions are there. Difference between plant cell and animal cell. Children, a most important structure, a cell organelle is mitochondria. Children, here clearly you can see the structure of mitochondria. It's a double membrane structure. Inner and outer membrane. Double membrane structure, inner and outer membrane. Children, this inner membrane is having folded structure which is called cristae, which increase the surface area to perform the function of aerobic respiration to generate energy by using glucose and oxygen. Folded structure called cristae. Then a jelly-like structure is there which is called matrix. Children, next one is Golgi complex. Children, the Golgi complex is having parallel folded structure which is called cistern. Here also the same phenomena is there. It's used for performing the different function for storage and packaging. Children, next one is mitochondria, the most important cell organelle of plant cell. Children, here plastid, a chloroplast is also having double membrane structure, inner and outer membrane. Stroma or matrix, a jelly-like structure is there. Now inside this matrix or stroma, they are having a bundles of granum is there, where pigment chlorophyll is present. A single bundle or the site for photosynthesis is called thylakoid. Children, here you can see that the whole structure is called granum and a single unit is called thylakoid. Vacuole. Children, in a plant cells we are having big size of vacuole. In animal cells, either they almost absent or very few vacuoles are there. They are storage sac for solid or liquid material. Vacuoles are large and numerous in plant cells. They are small or absent in animal cell. Now children, here we are going with the discussion of cell division. Children, we are having two methods of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Here in diagram you can clearly see that children, by method of mitosis you are getting two daughter cell which is exact copy of parent cell. Again I am telling you, mitosis we are getting two daughter cell which is exact copy of your parent cell. Children, mitosis occurs generally for the growth, repairing and the normal cell growth of the body. Simple example I am telling you, in a winter we are having worn out cells of lips. What happened? The new cells are formed, repairing and the growth of the cells are there by the process of mitosis. Meiosis. Children, here the chromosomes are divided into half. This cell division occurs at the time of fusion of male and female gamete, zygote formation, reproductive cells. So, this meiosis cell division type occurs at the time of reproduction, zygote formation. They are having a 4 daughter cell from two parents. One come from mother, one come from father, and you are having fusion of gametes are there. Here we can see the difference between meiosis and mitosis. Mitosis, a process of asexual reproduction in which cell divided into two producing replica with equal number of chromosomes. Children, most important thing, they are having equal number of chromosomes. What happened in meiosis? A type of cellular reproduction in which number of chromosomes are reduced half. Mitosis occurs in all organisms. Meiosis occurs with reproductive cell in human, animal, plant and fungi. Mitosis, it's a type of asexual reproduction where fusion or gametes are not involved. Meiosis occur with the sexual reproduction. Mitosis produce genetically identical organisms or cell. Yes, because it's an exact copy of parent cell. Meiosis, they are different cells because you are having half chromosomes from mother, half chromosomes from father. No crossing over can occur. Here mixing of chromosomes are there. Pairing of homologous chromosomes. Children, what do you mean by homologous chromosomes? It is having a same structure. नहीं, यहाँ पे कोई pairing नहीं है. Meiosis, they are having pairing of mother and father. Number of division, only one. Here number of divisions are 2. Now children, here we are having a diagram which shows plant cell and animal cell. If first we discuss about plant cell, children, here you can see they are having cell wall, cell membrane, Golgi apparatus, which is also called dicytosomes, big size of vacuole, chloroplast, mitochondria, cytoplasm, then ribosomes, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, nucleus, nucleolus, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Now if we compare with animal cell, children, only one membrane is there, cell membrane, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, nucleolus, centriole, which is responsible for cell division. Chromosomes are present, which is responsible for hereditary characteristics. Cytoplasm, ribosomes, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, lysosomes, which are not present in plant cells. Golgi apparatus. Children, here we can easily compare plant and animal cell. Here cell wall is present, cell wall is not there. Now children, if we compare plant cell and animal cell, plant cell usually they are larger than animal cell. Animal cell, they are smaller than plant cell. Cell wall is present, cell wall is absent. Plasmodesmata present, plasmodesmata is absent. Chloroplast present, which is responsible for photosynthesis in plant cell. Chloroplast is absent. Vacuole is large, vacuole is small. Centrioles are absent because no cell division is there. Centriole is present. Nucleus present along periphery of the cell because large size of vacuole is there. Nucleus is present center of the cell. Lysosomes are rare or not available. Here lysosomes are present. Storage material in a starch grain. Children, whatever the extra food material is there, it's stored as a starch in plant cell. Now whatever the extra food material glucose we are having, we stored as glycogen. Okay children, bye beta, have a nice day.